So just got out from the gym, and then I ordered off of this app called Keeta, Keeta. Total is, including the tip and the delivery and everything, for a beef noodle, $82. So like, not too bad. Let me go out there and actually just do the conversion on this bad boy. 82. Wow. So $8.16 comes complete with hot lemon tea. Apparently they were gonna charge me just like an extra like $1 or $2 extra Hong Kong dollars if I wanted ice. So I guess like ice is like more expensive. And then this is the actual beef noodle right here. Oh, I grew up eating this. Honestly, could eat it like every single day. I'm not even joking. I'm not even joking at all. So this is the guy right here. Oh. And then like overall, this is actually what I'm talking about, like how much happier I am living back over here, you know. I'd actually never lived here before, but like, I just think that and then my doorman, wish I would have got him on camera. He brought it up here with a smile. It was like shit. Oh my god. I did pay extra for the hot sauce, which I'm not seeing. That's still fine. This, in New York, minus the hot lemon tea, would have been $19 and $20. You know, plus like the delivery fee and everything is like $25. Well, was one of my go-to meals after like getting done with the career coaching call. I always order like one noodle or one fried rice dish or one noodle and a protein. I'm a noodle guy. Only like $52. Portion wise, about the same. Also got this thing like about 15 minutes while I was coming back from my run. Every Chinese and definitely Cantonese kid knows this freaking flavor. Now that I'm putting out so much more YouTube content. I got like 5-6 channels right now. Lost track. Product management, textile, cybersecurity, all bad economy, Richard Chen. Holy moly. Time that I'm not spending walking or like figuring out what I want to eat. It's just time. I can work on printing cash. Time is money right now. My eating habits are atrocious, but I paid an extra $2 Hong Kong for the hot sauce. Really wish they would have given it to me. But since I'm practicing more gratitude, I gotta say, even without the hot sauce, this thing is freaking killer. This teacup too, which was part of it, the hot lemon tea, Yi Ling Cha. This thing was freaking. Oh, almost as good as Mom's. We gotta make do with it. Sunday. I mean, yeah. I think it is, anyways. Just got done talking to the parentals back at home. For those of you who sent the Instagram messages, thank you. Mom, Dad's okay in LA. I can't wait to bring them over here, actually. On top of that, I could really eat this like every day. I'm so happy right now. Oh, jam out some calls. Let's actually do that. Jam out some calls. This is what it's all about. Just like raw, no filter content, right? I'm gonna get ready to record some like YouTube shorts later. Use this as a backdrop for the flex. Take a little Netflix nap. Maybe catch up on Singles Inferno season 4. That's largely just it. Oh man. Absolutely devoured this thing. My mental health. Not to say that I was unhappy or depressed, but I feel calmer here. Like, New York, it's just cold. depressing, expensive. Nobody's going out, especially in January. I guess because everybody took a hit. Let me know in the comments, but I think it's because like everybody took a hit during Christmas, New Year's, maybe coming back from like Florida or somewhere else. Nobody's really going out. Like, I remember it was one year, in January. Maybe I got lucky, but Don Angie's is like usually a pretty difficult place to get into. I remember I just walked in there with my friends one night. Pretty much got Saturday immediately. January slow. It's too cold to take the train in January, especially when you go out late at night. And the Uber drivers always tell me like, Uber drivers always tell me like, yeah, January is like it's like a hard hit month. I feel bad for those guys. I take a look at what it is that I'm doing, what it is that they're doing. They definitely have a tough time than me. Because me, I just got to exert energy, but them it's just like, but there's a payout because I deal with people that want to break into tech. And that racket, not so much. But overall, that was amazing. That was amazing. Kita is the app. I was given a few apps to go ahead and work with. Ultimately, Kita was the one that I chose. My friend told me I didn't choose it. My friends told me I should use it because it's like cheaper than like Food Panda, Meituan, and Deliveroo. I also like the fact that I could use it in Korea. I tried to use the app a few times. Couldn't do it. Thailand, Grab is just like, no, it's even better. It's like up $2 for like an entree. Can't beat that. Can't beat that at all. So I am gonna go ahead and I'm gonna go ahead. Oh my gosh, I like this little spot here. I can sit down. I'm gonna go ahead and yeah, I just love it because like it's also like everything's like new, you know, like, you know, in New York it's just so small. It just got done raining here. You can see in the back right here. Where is Bank of China build? Oh yeah. I think Bank of China buildings look right there. I think that's the Bank of China building. That skyscraper right there with the thing sticking up. That's like an iconic building for Hong Kong. But yeah, life and gratitude. Join my mastermind. Get your financial freedom. I mean, yeah, a little bit extra cash, right? Financial freedom, you get your location freedom, time freedom, but like, you know, like right now I'm just recording this thing just straight up off my iPhone. I'm not wearing a lavalier mic or like anything. Very limited editing. And I'm just putting out more content than I would say most other people in my field. And yeah, keep you guys posted for all my friends and compatriots all around the world. I mean, happy Chinese New Year. I think this is the year of the snake. I got to get ready to do a client call right now with somebody from the US, and I'm just gonna double check. You know, I think they're already on the call. Actually, they are not on the call. A second here, but overall, let's get it. You on the email? Yeah, This is pretty much no joke. I think this is actually where things are just headed. Like printing US dollars in Asia and just making sure, like, you know, we're just getting it like where you just have a little bit more leverage because I don't really. I looked at the situation in so many different ways, and I'm not really trying to be negative. Like most people that know me know that I'm generally speaking a pretty optimistic, pretty opportunistic person, if anything. But like overall, let's find out about this call in a little bit.
Hello?
Hey, this is Rich from Product Gym. How you doing today?
Good, how are you?
Not too bad, man. You scheduled a call to speak with us at this time. I was just wondering, are you still coming to the Google Hangout? Because I'm waiting for you. If you'd like to reschedule, just let me know.
No, I'm on the Google thing. That was the only. I just replied an email. I didn't get any instructions on Joe. I was just there was any. I joined the Google.
You know
The
what?
Google
You're
Meet.
right. You're right. It's all Gucci. I see you right now. I'm gonna go ahead and actually get on this call. Just give me a quick second, all right? Thank you.
All right, sounds good.
All right. Let's go ahead and print some cash. Join the mastermind. See you in school. Don't be late to school.